Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Merging must be really hard here. Did this car just flip? Street racers damage a random driver's car. Comment what you think the punishment should be. Trying to keep safe distance here. What are the odds? Watch until the end. This is a whole series.
What are you doing? You were like... Why?
20 minutes later.
Whoa. You see the lines on the road, right? Do you see the lines? Oh my god. Look at the lines. Oh my god. Look at the lines. Look at the lines, dude. Dude, look at the lines.
This idiot swerves and flips their car because they didn't think they could brake fast enough? Karma comes and goes. How did he make it this far in life? Who is legally at fault? Police say white car. That is the worst place to break it down. Looks like the slippery wet roads didn't help much. This idiot with a trailer goes in oncoming lanes to avoid a median, just to get McDonald's. First week with the Dashcam, and I found my first idiot. I guess safety is secondary to making your exit for this company. This driver blows through stop sign, cutting me off just to brake check me and flip me off. A full-on loaded truck driver running a red light? Guess traffic lights are optional during heavy rains. Second time I almost got his this week. Perhaps I should invest and buy a red truck so people can see me.
Блин, вот это да. Ужас.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.